Hello guys, I welcome you to our own channel Gyan Ki Peti. Today we are going to study about mathematical formulation of second law. That the statement of second law we have to do in mathematical representation. For that, read this carefully. Consider a body of mass m having initial velocity u. A force acts on that body for time t and final velocity of the body becomes v. Means it is telling that consider a body of mass m. Given answer, a body of mass m is having initial momentum u, initial velocity is u and final velocity u. A force acts on that body for time t. Force act, let us take at f, and time v is the let t, and the time and the final velocity of the body become v, and final velocity of the body becomes to v. So final velocity, let it as v. Then we know that when an object is getting a mass, getting a force by external force, and the object is having mass and it changes position, that is known as momentum. So here we have to take momentum because it is a body of mass m and having velocity and it is getting a force, so we have to take momentum. So let initial momentum be, momentum is equal to, we know that momentum is equal to product of mass into velocity. So then initial momentum will be mass into uniform velocity, that is u, in uniform velocity, that is u. So mu. Final momentum will be, we have to mv, because here final velocity changes into v. To final velocity mv. Then we have to change in momentum. Change in momentum will be mv minus mu when force is directly proportional. So we can take m as common, then it will become v minus u. Now we have to take rate of change. Difference between change and rate of change means in rate of change time is taken, but in change momentum no time is taken. So f m v minus u by t, because rate of change is there, so in rate of change time is there. We know that v minus u is equal to acceleration, so f will be directly proportional to m a. To equalize this, we have to take a constant proportionality. So let k be constant. We have to, so to equalize this we have to take a constant proportionality. So let we have to k as constant, then we can f is equal to k ma. When k is equal to 1, then f is equal to m a. We have formulated this in mathematically Newton's second law. So thank you. If you understood this, please comment in a box, and it is our new channel, so please support it guys, and please like, comment and share. Thank you.